Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb la yusalli to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun, prohibition. Nahayun, prohibition. We are going to learn how to instruct others not to do something using different forms of verbs in Arabic. The question is, how do we change the verb la yusalli to suit the pronouns below? La yusalli simply means he should not observe salat. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb la yusalli to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb la yusalli to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb la yusalli will now become la usalli, which means I shouldn't observe salat. Ithnan, number two, nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb la yusalli to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb la yusalli will now become la nusalli, which means we should not observe salat. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb la yusalli to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yusalli will now become la tusalli, which means you should not observe salat, talking to a single male person. Arba'a, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb la yusalli to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasara. So the verb la yusalli will now become la tusalli, which means you should not observe salah. You can only use this to command a single female person not to observe salah. Hamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb la yusalli to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yusalli will now become la tusalli, which means she should not observe salah. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from third upward. Remember, plurality in Arabic starts from third upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb la tusalli can only be used to command a single male person not to observe salah. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb la tusalli will now become la tusalliya. La tusalliya, which means you should not observe salah, commanding two male persons not to observe salah. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter. So the verb la tusalli will now become la tusallu. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb la tusalli will now become la tusallu, which means you should not observe salah, commanding a group of male persons not to observe salah. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wa, what is it doing there? So the alifun written there is to let us know that the wawun is not part of the verb, rather it is an extra letter. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb la tusalli can only be used to command a single female person not to observe salah. So if they are two in number, use the same form of the verb, la tusalliya. So if they are more than two, all you need to do is to replace ya'un in la tusalli with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb la tusalli will now become la tusallayna. La tusallayna, which means you should not observe salah, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. لا يصلي خالد في البيت. لا يصلي خالد في البيت. Khalid should not observe salat at home. Ithnan, number two. لا تصلي زينب في المسجد. لا تصلي زينب في المسجد. Zainab should not observe salat in the mosque. Thalatha, number three. لا تصلي في المدرسة يا أخي. لا تصلي في المدرسة يا أخي. لا تصلي في المدرسة. Don't observe salat in the school. Don't observe salat at school. يا أخي, my brother. أربعة, number four. لا تصلي بعد الطبخ يا زينب. لا تصلي بعد الطبخ يا زينب. لا تصلي. Do not observe salat بعد الطبخ, after cooking. Ya Zainab, Zainab. So you are to observe your salah before cooking. Khamsa, number five. لا تصلي بعد النوم. لا تصلي. You should not observe salah بعد النوم, after sleep. Talking to Hashim and Khalid. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. ستة, number six. لا تصلوا في الجامع يا إخوة. لا تصلوا في الجامع يا إخوة. لا تصلوا في الجامع. You should not observe salah at the university. يا إخوة, brothers. Talking to a group of male persons. سبعة, number seven. لا تصلين في المنزل يا أخوات. لا تصلين في المنزل يا أخوات. لا تصلين في المنزل. Don't observe salat at home. You should not observe salat at home. يا أخوات, sisters. ثمانية, number eight. لا أصلي في الجامع. لا أصلي في الجامع. I shouldn't observe salah at the central mosque. تسعة, number nine. لا نصلي في المعهد. لا نصلي في المعهد. لا نصلي. We should not observe salah في المعهد, at the college. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the comparison between amrun, commandment, and nahayum, prohibition in Arabic. Wahid, number one. Huwa, he. ليصلي, he should observe salah. لا يصلي, he should not observe salat. Ithnan, number two. Here, she. لتصلي, she should observe salah. لا تصلي, she should not observe salat. ثلاثة, number three. أنا, I. لأصلي, I should observe salah. لا أصلي, I shouldn't observe salah. أربعة, number four. نحن, we. لنصلي, we should observe salah. لا نصلي, we should not observe salah. خمسة, number five. أنت, you, representing a single male person. صلي, observe salat. لا تصلي, don't observe salat. ستة, number six. أنت, you, representing a single female person. صلي, you should observe salah. لا تصلي, you should not observe salat. سبعة, number seven. أنتم, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. صلوا, you should all observe salat. لا تصلوا, you should not observe salat. 8, number 8, antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. صلينا, you should all observe salah. لا تصلينا, you should not observe salat. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.